Hello, guys. Good morning. And this is our day two. Basically, yesterday we reached late evening at to Ooty from Hyderabad from our 70 kilometers long journey in 15.5 to 16 hours. And this is the morning view for today. We woke up from our deluxe cottage. See, this is our morning view from our cottage. My car is parked right outside our deluxe cottage. Everyone's car is parked outside their deluxe cottages. They have a provision here. There are some 100 plus deluxe cottages and villas here in this resort, Lakeview Resort. And everyone car can be parked outside their respective villas. They have this provision. See, the sun is right there. This is our deluxe cottage, and my son is enjoying his sunshine, morning sunshine. Say hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fine.
Okay. So this is the morning view, and today we'll visit some places. There is museum, then there is some park or a garden you can say, and there is a lake where you can do boating. Then there is some market, specialized market where you can buy woolens or chocolates or coffee, etc. stuff. So we'll visit many of the places, and tomorrow we might go to Lovedale or Konur or using the toy train and Wellington, nearby places, nearby hill stations. So let's see what we can do today, and we'll keep connecting to you. Okay, see you. So guys, hello. Come. Me and my son are wandering around inside the resort now. This is the resort basically that has some 100 plus cottages, and we just woken up. This is a cold morning. The sun is there, but uh, we are just taking sunlight. Early morning sun rays, sunlight we are taking, and this is good basically. Well, very big resort, very big areas there inside. We have a children's park also there, right there. We are going towards that. We'll see you in some time. So guys, my son is enjoying a horse ride. Who should I go, Baba? See, they are providing horse ride for children at 200 rupees. For 200 rupees, they are providing horse ride inside the resort only for 200 rupees. My son is, my wife is going along with him. Straight, he is frightened. Uppu, bhai pave na baba. It's all right, baba. हर रोज आएगा जाते जाओ और जाते बाबा डोंट फियर इट्स एक्साइटिंग बाबा हाँ लॉन्ग हॉर्स राइड he's taking long horse ride. Now we go to our deluxe cottage he's taking. Exhausted. See the clear sunshine at Ooty. Clear sunshine in the resort. थक गया वो भी वो है बहुत. So guys, we didn't bring any woolens from Hyderabad, so we are shopping some stuff. My wife is shopping some stuff for herself, some woolen stuff, and for my son. I'm also taking. I don't know. I'll take or not finally, but for them I need because they are feeling very cold, and we didn't bring any stuff, woolen stuff from Hyderabad. So we are facing cold. So देखते हैं हम लोग क्या क्या लेते हैं अभी basically. We're in the market, Ooty market, and after that we'll go to Ooty Lake, and then We'll do some boating probably, and then we'll go to Rose Garden and Botanical Garden for today. Tomorrow we'll see the toy train and all, Lovedale and all. So this is for today. They are shopping now, and once I go to lake, we'll connect again. Hello guys, so we are inside the Ooty boat house now, and we have bought 2 tickets for 2 adults. Child is free, only 15 rupees per adult. This is the Ooty boat house. We are going inside now Ooty boat house now. This is lake, famous lake, Ooty Lake. The Ooty boat house we are entering. This is 15 rupees ticket, only entry ticket. Inside boating you have to pay extra. For boating, we all will do boating. We'll pay extra for it. We're going inside now. See the Ooty boat house. Okay, we connect once we do boating and go inside. We're just entering inside now. My son, my wife, me. Okay. So guys, this is the I Love Ooty coming backwards. I Love Ooty inside the boat house. This is the boat house basically. We're going for boating now in some time. We'll book tickets for boating also. 2-seater, 3+1-seater, everything is there. This is the I Love Ooty sign. Let us see if we do boating or all. Okay, see you. So guys, we have booked a motorboat basically. Motorboat 8-seater was 800 and we were 3 people. We have clubbed with 5 other people. 5 और लोग हमारे साथ जुड़ गए हैं. उन्होंने 500 रुपये पे किया, मैंने 300 रुपये पे किया. Me, my wife and my son, we'll get all seats. 8-seater motorboat है for 800. I'll show you the bill. This is 800 for 8 people. Motorboat, including the driver. Driver will sit, but we have 8 seats. 3 seats we have booked for ourselves for 300, and 5 seats the other family with us. They have taken for 500 5 seats. तो अब मोटर बोट में एंजॉय करते हैं, अभी जाते हैं. So guys, we are inside the motor boat now, and me, my family, and other families also there. We are just starting now to the Ooty Lake.
Yes.
Hello. उधर हो जाओ थोड़ा. ओके. तू ट्रैक क्यों नहीं हो रहा बाबा? Okay, we are inside the motorboat, and this is the motorboat Ooty Lake. Scenic views of Ooty Lake. The driver is there. He is driving the motorboat. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Say yay! Babu, say yay! Yay! Enjoying inside the motorboat. The Ooty. मस्त मजा आ रहा भाई. Good. Life jacket. Everybody is saying life jacket. So guys, we are inside the boat house only. We have just done boating, ended with the boating, and we have done a lot of boating basically. 10, 15, 20 minutes boating he did. That guy allowed us to do it. Now we are at a mini train station basically, toy train. Inside the boat house only, this is the toy train. And we are sitting now here. Inside toy train, we'll enjoy toy train within the boat house only. It will be a short trip only for my child actually. He would loves to go on toy train and all. We have done it several times on other hill stations or other parks. So we'll do the toy train now, and after this we might go to Rose Garden and Botanical Gardens. We'll see. And tomorrow we'll go to this normal toy train, that Nilgiri's toy train that goes to Lovedale or Konur from here. So guys, we are inside the toy train now, and toy train is moving inside the forest. Small forest they have made, and we are sitting at the first box, first bogie, and you can see the lake also there. Alongside the lake we are going. Toy train. Yay! So much greenery around, and the lake is there. Along the lakeside only we are going in our toy train. See such beautiful lake, beautiful Ooty lake. We enjoyed boating in it. Our toy train is going slowly. It's moving on a speed of 20 km per hour, probably 10 to 15 to 20 km per hour. See, we are enjoying our toy train ride. Hello, Boo.
Hello.
I'm loving it.
I'm loving it.
Toy train.
Toy train.
I love it.
I love it.
I enjoy.
I enjoy it.
Bye. Okay, and my wife is sitting there. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, my son, me, my wife. We are inside one bogie only, and there are people later who are inside the other bogies. We are in the first bogie. Okay. So, guys, we are inside the botanical garden now. Ooty Botanical Garden. Ticket for adults is 50 rupees, and for child is 30 rupees. We have paid 130 rupees. See, my son is having the ticket in hand. Okay, keep it. So 130 rupees for 2 adults and 1 child. This is managed by Horticulture Department of Tamil Nadu government. Government Botanical Garden managed by Horticulture Department. Vaccination is also going on for police department. वो खाने बाथरूम आज बेसिकली और वहीं कैंटीन होगी शायद. Okay, let's roam around. So see guys how beautiful this is. कितना सुंदर है. Botanical garden. Open spaces. Entry, I think it's restricted inside. They are not allowing anybody to enter inside. Only on the roads. Botanical gardens. A lot of plants and trees of different varieties. It's big botanical gardens. अच्छा है. अच्छा लग रहा है. ভিতরে ব্রাদার ঢুকতে দিচ্ছে না. So guys, we are sitting here at the lawn now. Me and my son. We are sitting at the lawn. He's enjoying his ticket. Hello.
Hello.
How are you feeling? Good.
Good.
Okay. Sit here. Enjoying the lawns basically. This is the botanical garden. Glass house is there. This is the glass house. This is a glass house. And then there are some glass house there also. People are sitting on the lawns. We are also sitting on the lawn. And my son. Okay. And we'll see you later. Okay, bye. And meanwhile, my wife is returning from the glass house. She has seen the glass house. She's here now. Glass house. কেমন আছে glass house? But follow. এখান থেকে ভিতরে এসে যাও. Come inside. Okay. अगर आरो कुछ देखबो ना तुम्हें आरो कुछ আছে. The glass house looks fascinating. This is glass house. People are running around here and there, but due to COVID restrictions, they are not allowing people to mingle too much. And it's looking quite good, everything. Sitting here. I was taking selfie. Okay. So guys, this is the beauty of botanical gardens. Very well maintained. And so many plants, so many trees of different varieties. Nice place to chill out for picnic, family picnic. But due to COVID restrictions, they are not allowing picnic and all. This is the glass house. That is the toilet right there for gents and for females. Washrooms. The quite tall trees, well maintained. See all those trees. Vintage Tall trees, lot of stuff here also, botanical gardens. But there's not too much to see here. Only the plants and glass house and everything. Nice. So we'll proceed now to Rose Garden. There's not much to see here. Not great things or something. Fine, this is good, well maintained. So guys, we are back to the villa now, Arcdeal's Cottage in Lake Hotel Lakeview Resort. It's about round 3 and we have ordered our food. We didn't have food outside. We went to boat house. Boat house we did a lot of activities, basically boating as well as toy train as well as some shopping for my child and my wife. And then we proceeded from there to Rose to Botanical Garden. There also ticket line was there and they were saying vaccination certificates. So it took a lot of time. And inside we couldn't. We were so exhausted. We didn't walk much. We saw something from the lawns itself. Then we couldn't go to Rose Garden. And then we came back now and we took some little drinks. It was very hard to find, but we found anyhow one shop that was uh, selling drinks, selling liquor, and then we came right straight away to our house, to our villa. My car is parked outside. See, this is our villa, Douglas Cottage, basically. This is the balcony. This is the room. My son sitting outside. There is one room and one hall as well. And this is my car parked there, right here. And all the cars are parked in the front of their cottages. This is a very good facility here. This is a almost, I think, 100 to 110 villas are there. Various cottages are there. So we'll have our lunch now, and this is the day one for today. We did boating. Boating was very good. Those shots I'll give separately. And that's it. आज का दिन खत्म हुआ हमारा. फिर this is first day, first night stay. Yesterday was first night stay. We came at evening. Today second night stay actually. Second day, first day and second night today. And then we have 2 more days and 2 nights, and then we'll proceed to Hyderabad on Monday. Monday night we'll reach. Monday is also our leave for me, and I've taken a leave for yesterday on Thursday, and Friday today is Sankranti or Pongal holiday in our office, Hyderabad and Chennai offices and Bangalore offices. So fine. This ends our day two of Uti road trip and day one of hopping actually inside Uti. Tomorrow we may go to Nilgiri Railways that connects to Lovedale. There's a small train that goes to from Uti. It goes to Lovedale and Konur, and that we'll enjoy. My son will enjoy probably. Okay, then see you tomorrow. Bye. See you.